What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new IPO that comes to trade as of May 26th, Element Nutrition. The stock will trade here in Canada under ticker symbol ELMT. They're a Burlington, Ontario-based nutraceutical company with exclusive access to a patented formulation called Rejuvenate, demonstrated through 25 plus clinical trials to help prevent muscle loss due to aging. So as we know, this is a very important demographic. Baby boomers are getting older. Now, this is not the only thing that they're focusing on, but it is, one of the main segments of their business. So I'm excited to talk about it. We also have interviewed their CEO, so we'll have many videos on the way in regards to that. But I'm excited to bring it to you guys. And, let me know what you think in the comments. Drop me a comment down below. Don't forget to, of course, hit that like button, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications to follow along for future videos. Last but not least, before we dive into this introduction video, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Element Nutrition. So the first thing we're going to do actually is dive into their website, and you can find out more information about the company at elementnutrition.com. Right there on the website, you can see the Rejuvenate Muscle brand. Rejuvenate Muscle health products were designed with your health and well-being in mind. They are a delicious way to rebuild muscle and prevent muscle loss, increase strength and agility, and add to a better you. Then they have the Jactrix brand. Jactrix is an elite brand of performance supplements designed for the everyday athlete, weekend warrior, anyone looking for that extra edge in their workout. We're going to dive into their brand new deck right now. So Element Nutritional Sciences. So Element Nutritional Sciences, this is their Q2 investor presentation, and it will trade, as I said, in Canada on the CSE under ticker symbol ELMT. So what is the company's mission? To employ plant-based technology along with research-based nutritional science to deliver high-value products to our customers, allowing them to live life to the fullest. So let's talk about the highlights. Flagship plant-based nutraceutical product Rejuvenate is proven to improve muscle health, help prevent muscle loss, and help the body build lean muscle. Now, one very interesting, and important thing about this company is their distribution network, and that's what I would say is key to, success when it comes to a company like this. So they have secured shelf space with top US and Canadian retailers representing 1,600 points of distribution with Rejuvenate in over 7,500 stores. E-commerce platform allows shipment to 98% of the US population within 2 business days. Exclusive rights to patented formulations, which specifically targets sarcopenia, muscle loss due to aging, product formulation backed by 25 peer-reviewed clinical studies, and $20 million in investment over the last 17 years. Deep product innovation pipeline to target new markets, including oncology, orthopedics, and sports nutrition. So now let's talk a little bit about the sector growth and the total addressable market. So North American nutritional market worth $50 billion and growing. 63% of consumers are looking for plant-based foods as a healthier source of protein. The US ready-to-drink market expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 8.2% to 2025, which is pretty substantial. Adult protein beverage market over $1.6 billion, and 49% of the population is concerned about effects of muscle loss. So their opportunity, muscle health is one of the largest growing opportunity in CPG nutrition, or consumer packaged goods nutrition. 13%. Sarcopenia's incidence is up to 13% of the population. North American sarcopenia market by 2025 is estimated to be $1.3 billion and $18 billion. Those are the healthcare costs attributed to sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a new osteoporosis, and that is by Abbott Labs. So the solution, Rejuvenate. First to market, clinically proven, 25 plus clinical studies, prevents muscle loss, speed surgical recovery, patented formulation, and $20 million USD spent on research and development. Market opportunity, plant-based Rejuvenate, ready to drink. True innovation for the adult nutrition market, now available. The solution Rejuvenate. 15 grams of organic plant protein, 330 milliliter Tetra Pak, patented clinically proven formula. Sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, no artificial sweeteners and artificial colors, only 100 calories. First to market and clinically proven, helps prevent muscle loss and speed surgical recovery. So their value proposition, we deliver sustainable quality of life to consumers by preventing age-related muscle loss. So the benefits, anti-aging, decrease risk of disease, greater wellness, energy, vitality, decrease frailty, strength, and increase in activity. Clinically proven to preserve muscle and strength on bed rest. 800% increase in strength while recovering from surgery, increased strength and function, speeds post-operative recovery, lowers insurance and medical costs, and increased quality of life. Significant retail distribution, and like I said, this is very, very important. CVS, Amazon, Walgreens, Metro, Rexall, Loblaws, Shoppers Drug Mart, Food Lion, CVS Pharmacy, over 6,000 stores, launching across the USA with Walgreens in June 2021, which is, just around the corner. Canadian retail of 750 stores, Shoppers Drug Mart, Loblaws, and Rexall, distribution in 15,500 US stores by June 15th, 2021. So that's just next month. They've also hired a brand ambassador. That's Denise Austin, one of North America's most influential people in the health and nutrition sector. 464,000 followers with 30% engagement. Core followers are 45 to 65 years old. 83% are interested in diet and nutrition. Best-selling author of 12 books, former member of the President's Council on Physical Fitness. So now let's talk about their growth strategy. We're focused on distribution and innovation. So distribution, very important, as I said, increase retail locations and sales velocity with existing partners, build points of distribution in the US and Canada with new partners, digital paid search and advertising for direct-to-consumer channel, influencer partnerships, 2.7 billion impressions, purse international distribution agreements, add new SKUs to existing points of distribution. Now innovation, new product formats for existing formulations, meal replacement market, new formulation with added vitamins and minerals, orthopedic market, perform studies using Rejuvenate pre and post surgery to speed recovery, oncology market, develop higher dose formulation and perform studies to demonstrate slowing muscle loss in cancer patients. Our data shows increased muscle protein synthesis by 78% on average. And finally, sports nutrition, develop higher dose formulations for Jactrix brand. Now let's talk a little bit about their distribution and innovation pipeline. So their distribution channels today, vendor status with 8 national retailers in the US and Canada, direct to consumer via Amazon. Next 12 months, vendor status, new retailers, international distribution, Jactrix to the US market, and then their 3 to 5 year plan, oncology and orthopedic, and retirement homes / long-term care facilities. Product innovations today, Rejuvenate Sackets 2 SKUs, ready-to-drink beverage 3 SKUs, and Jactrix 7 SKUs. Next 12 months, Rejuvenate formulation for the Canadian market, next generation Rejuvenate meal replacement, and then 3 to 5 years, higher dosage Rejuvenate, bars, powders, gummies, and finally snack food. So like I said, guys, there is more to come for the company in terms of new products. Revenue growth potential. Revenue growth will come down to points of distribution and the velocity of sales. And we have interviewed their CEO, Stuart Lothar, which we will be releasing that video as well. Awesome guy, founder of Life Science Nutritional, sold for $40 million. Profit Magazine ranked LSN #1 fastest growing company in the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry. International sales executive at Jameson Laboratories. Revenue grew by 14%, sold for $320 million valuation. Public company valued at $1.4 billion. Executive at IOVATE, Health Sciences Muscle Tech. Grew businesses from 40 million in revenue to over 200 million, recently sold at $1 billion valuation. So for anyone who's into, sports, nutrition, muscle tech, very big brand. And then of course, take a look at the rest of their management team. That's always very important when you're doing your own research and due diligence on a company. So that's it for the introduction, guys. It's going to be interesting to cover this company. We will have a few more videos and interviews along the way. We will be releasing that interview with Stuart, so stay tuned for that if this is a company you're interested in. And don't forget, drop me those comments down below. Let me know what you think about the company. But like I said, that's it for the video. And last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So once again, check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. That brings us to the end, guys. Always remember, Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.